Number 11 is solve for the following system of equations algebraically, meaning not graphically and not by guessing and checking. So I'm going to go ahead and do process of elimination instead of substitution. And I see that I don't have any common coefficients for the variables or opposites. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply one equation times a number and the other times another number to get a common coefficient. And I'm going to start with the one at the bottom just because 4 is greater than 3 here, 3 is greater than 2, 7 is greater than 4, and I want to write that one on top. And I'm going to go ahead and eliminate x first. So I'm going to multiply the bottom times 3 and the top times 4. Actually, I'm going to do the bottom times 3. So 3 times, let me write that up here. 3 times everyone in here, so that's going to be 12x. Okay, 3 times 3 is 9y. 3 times 7 is 21. Okay, and then again, I'm going to multiply the top times negative 4, so I can just subtract later. All right, negative 4 times 3 is negative 12x. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8y. Negative 4 times negative 4 is negative 4 times positive 4 is negative 16. All right, now I can do the elimination by adding the two equations. 12x plus negative 12x is going to be 0, so I eliminated that. 9 plus negative 8 is the same as 9 minus 8, so that's going to be 1y. I don't have to write the 1. 21 minus 16, or 21 plus negative 16, is the same as 21 minus 16, and that leaves us with 5, so y equals 5. All right, now I'm going to solve for x. Okay, we have the original equation up here. Let's see, let's use the top one there, 3x plus 2 instead of writing y. Oh, I'm sorry, I can't see that. 3x plus 2y equals 4 is the original equation. And I'm going to go ahead and substitute 3x plus 2 times y, which is 5. That's what I'm going to multiply times 2 by, equals 4. I know this equals 10. So when I add 3x to that, that equals 4. I'm sorry. And so 3x equals, if I subtract 10 on both sides, that's going to be negative 6. And so x equals, divide by 3 on both sides, negative 6 divided by 3 is going to give us x equals negative 2. And you can check the work by plugging it in, making sure that when x equals negative 2 and y equals 5, that when you plug it into the equation, when you solve for it, for example, the top one, you do get 4. And we're done.